Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I followed the consent to condolence to sorrow to had big accident on state of California. United States of America government, the Mr. Trump must be repair the foreign policy, repair the weapon assistance, so that Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the God, give the policy of which is fine, that must be repair the policy, foreign policy and weapon assistance be get even better again.